MH943 SWS Megahome Water Distiller Glass Bottle. Your safety comes first. This Megahome Distiller is Underwriters Laboratory approved. is the trusted independent global safety science company for U.S. products and determines product compliance with stringent safety standards. Please note, for fire safety, many home insurance policies require that electrical products installed in the home be certified. Megahome distillers are one of the only approved water distillers available. Purest Water distills 1 gallon per /5.5 hours. Distills the water at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the proper speed for removing unwanted toxins and contaminants. It also includes 6 optional use high-quality activated charcoal filters. The optional filters are used when VOCs like chlorine or other toxins that can form into a vapor are present. The filters capture and remove these toxins during the distillation process. Best quality, full 304 stainless steel interior and exterior, including the boil chamber, upper steam dome, and stainless condensing coils. Water does not touch plastic. Glass collection. This distiller includes a durable and easy-to-use porcelain-lined nozzle and a glass collection bottle. This ensures the purest and safest distilled water for all of your needs. Best service included. Every Megahome distiller is backed by a 1-year warranty and the service and support you would expect from a top-quality appliance and company. No need to worry about warranty, customer service, or parts. Megahome distillers have been on the market for over 22 years and are the top-selling distiller in the world. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.